Hello, Mama.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Ma. My name Nanedu. We dey all of us dey here. We dey call you from Wazobia FM.
Okay, my brother. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ma. Ma, where you from, Sef?
I'm from Delta.
Delta State. Where from Delta?
Kwale.
Kwale. I get it, bro. Okay. Mama, wetin be the thing when it be say happen? Wetin happen?
My brother, my daughter. Until she finishes class, go from us.
You say your stepdaughter. You say your Mama. Wait. You say your stepdaughter I be your daughter.
Sir?
You say your stepdaughter I be your daughter. Your daughter gone when you born, yeah?
Now my daughter, now my first daughter.
Okay, continue, ma.
So until go from us.
Yes.
Now you come down, boy. Come get belly for the city. I come tell her say, I come tell her people give am belly. He come from the papa come from to the son. The mama no come that day. I come, we call the other na belly. He say yes, they get belly. Say the no go do money to say because when you children nobody they do money for your head. Yes.
I did hear you.
Say nobody do money for you. Anyone can't do money. You don't know what say now we just pikin. So after that, my daughter come born, boy. The day for ceremony, the law has said I go do ceremony. Now buy rice. I buy 3 carton. Okay, buy half bag of rice. Buy many things. I can't do ceremony. Give her me.
Okay.
Therefore, the mama come. Carry one pastor come. With the brother and his sister. One chop that, chop everything. One bottle me that they not bring. I call my daughter, say, this marriage, you know, since when the papa don't come, so say, you know, they do money for woman.
Oh, wait. Now, which person papa say, you know, they do money for woman head? That the boy papa, I been that the boy say, you know, they. I know that. Mama, wait, make I call you back. Where you did your network? I don't know whether you go come out where you did. The network, they shake. Make I call you back, Sha.
Okay.
Because the thing they off. I know here he said that the boy papa say he not good.
Yes, when the boy papa can't see the girl and
Yes.
the people,
Yes.
he just say one can't see them to know
The person with their son give belle.
the mapok.
Okay.
So, but them, where they from? They need to pay money for woman head though.
Oh, they know they pay money for woman. Oh, now the first time I hear that one.
No, na whining.
Moon from come.
Now whining.
Now from moon, I've been from which
Okay.
equator.
I don't know whether na from planet Uranus.
Planet O.
Hold on, no, sir.
Mama.
Hello, sir.
So you say the man talk say they need to do where them from? They need to do something for woman head.
He say your children say your children don't they say they not do money for your children head. So you not go do money for anybody else. Say just come north and say I can get picky.
Okay.
It's okay. So after you go, I call my daughter. I say this marriage where you they go. The man they say that now they do money for woman head. You not go fit marry these people. Come out for inside.
Yes.
So after he don't born, now me carry her for hospital. He did not bring shishi. I said, call the man, make he come carry you for hospital. He said they will come. I see defeat me. I tell they don't charge them already. I can't give my junior sister money. Go pay for the hospital. One Igbo guy where me and him say, now you help me buy 2 crates of mineral. I buy many things. I take do ceremony. That day they come, they chop, they go. They not put trouble. I come my pikin say, marriage is not there for this, you know. Give me the pikin, make you go find work. As you go school, finish. Go find work, make you get the thing where you get for hand.
Okay.
If this boy, if you find another person to marry, my pikin say no. I want make you born here. You know go born here. Now my pikin come wrong. Go meet them. I can't worry. Papa they worry. That time Papa they alive.
Okay.
You can't they worry. Say how you can't tell wrong. I don't know the place saying them. Me say I know the shop. I they feel and say where my pikin there. One day my junior sister called me for Biaroko. Say my pikin do Biaroko. And it's the time when he does school for my they go my sister place go collect Gary for Biaroko.
Okay.
You know can't go that place go meet my sister saying do Biaroko. So one day I saw my place for Guseti here where would they get out. Now your husband call me say you don't born.
Again.
What you born?
Okay. The first picking.
Second pick.
Second one. Okay.
First one I born for my place. He carry that one wrong. Go meet the boy.
Okay.
So after you come born that one, you can't call me say born. I told me not call my number again. My junior sister say make I not talk like that. Say na my pikin, make I leave am as okay. Where you dey?
When she get the belly for the second one, you don't know. Abi she dey with the boy.
I don't know.
Okay.
You don't follow the boy with the first one when I carry for hospital.
Okay.
So when the boy come and say it's born, that's why I say no call my number again. He's born, I know say get belly. That one they can't do that one for Biarako. My sister can't come and say they do Biarako.
Okay.
When I can't go when I go to my mother, branch of Biarako, I can't tell her, say make I slap you. He say me come they beg me. I can't tell my sister, I still say to continue for Biarako, they no dey normal. I can't beg my sister, they give them something. So one day he called me say, Mama, he don't get work for your husband don't get work for you company. They say they bring 50,000. Say and now nobody go help them. He said they don't beg everybody, nobody help. And that time my sister don't talk hungry, they kill them. I say send ugly, they kill them. I be go thief as my daughter. I can't send 50,000 for them. You dey hear?
I did hear you.
After I send 50,000 next week, your husband had time to come back for Lagos. Second week, my pikin come. I can't look at him. I can't carry all those children. The 2 children when he born, put them for army children's school for Balande.
Okay.
So when you go find work. My daughter say, in the roof for work, I say, okay. Smart time, he wrong. The husband come say, he don't see house. He don't see school when my pikin go teach. My pikin come meet me say, Mama, he not fit live in pikin no, make it they go public school. And he don't see teacher. When he go to teach him, pikin go stay there. He go to stay. They don't see house for Agbado.
Okay.
Now the thing where you want to be that, he say yes. If Papa talk, Papa that time, Papa they tell me, say, be like say this girl get belly. I say, which belly? So after them go, you know, take he come back. As he come house, belly don't shoot at her. He get belly. Now I slap you. He say, make a not say na mistake. I say mistake, now he can't do. Can't get belly when you know say condition never dey good for you. So I can't forget that one. He do finish. After that one, this one now tell her me not get belly again, no. My husband come the sick. I call her, my first daughter. I say your partner will come home. The sickness is serious. Me with his sister and his brother, they carry his papa up and down for Lagos. My daughter not come. Waka. The thing, all the money when the man don't finish. I can't carry and go Asaba. I call him. I won't carry and go Asaba. We carry him, papa go Asaba. We say 2 weeks and 2 days, him papa die. After him papa die, I call all of the story. I know what people for much. I no money. I borrow interest money for whole village. You. Men I come make the bedroom na papa for our present. The other children let them to come. My daughter not see money come inside. After they don't put me for the place where the mommy and mama for 9 days. My daughter can't come the day road they come. I can't tell my junior sister me wait for pass so that he will bring them. You not pay motor. Why would they come back for village? I come husband family say see this girl. I say talk to them, not the year. See as he be. My husband says I come to talk to them. He calls me at the Georgia. Why would they come back? Transport you not get. And I me pay transport to come back for Lagos. He come I come tell me he wait for my house till husband come. He say no. In they go. They carry him bag. Come they go. I can't say 3 months. But a family husband they not come here. Come ask me say my husband die when he born. This and I born. The husband papa he not come. I can't call your mama. Say why now son they do for my village. My husband die. But he be say I born pity where your pity marry. Una not come ask me say my husband die. Your mama say make I send the number. I say I not get number, not get address. I off my phone. The mama off his phone. She that day where last May, my wife died. I won't go village. I can't call village. I say I won't go village. You tell all my children. Say I won't go village. My wife died. You won't go bury. Now my daughter can't come and say, Mama, I want to tell you something. So after that time, I forget. After that, I go carry my daughter from house. It's stay 4 months. You can't stay 4 months from my house. Yeah, I say go look for work. Leave the children for me. Go find work. That is three children. No. My daughter can't tell me say, you not fit train. Only you not fit train children. No. You won't go miss your husband. He fight me here. The husband come back. I say me I not agree. Make you go there.
You they call her husband, but they're not married. Now not be husband. But continue, Sha.
After that one, you can't carry him. You can't carry and go Ekpe. The Ekpe they can't stay. They can't stay for Ekpe. They not come here. I can't reach them. I say I go there. I don't know the place where my daughter did.
Yes.
I can't enter motor. Can't go Ekpe. Go see him. After I see him for Ekpe, I can't come back. No, he never show say he get belly that time. You not tell me say he get belly. So when I want go village, and I come and say, Mama, you want tell me something? I say, what you want tell me? He say he get belly anytime from now he go born. I said you get belly.
That's the fourth belly this time.
Yeah, sir.
No, the number 4 belly be that.
Na 4.
Okay.
So I come to see get belly. He say he get belly. I said okay, God go lead you. I not talk. Me they not say mama talk because mama talk not the good. But I not. I say not. I say go born everyone. He get belly. He say yes. Now I can't go village. You come back. Now start they call him every week. You know they call me. The girl number when they picking they take call me. I they call them. So we picking sometimes the children go the one I say I want talk to grandmama. Now he go call me. Now me they call them sometimes I go say me give the children phone. We they talk. So reach that day now. That is on the June 13th.
Yeah.
12. I can't call her for phone. That is on Monday. I said, Vivian, how you day? So you never born. He say, you know where in the hospital. I say the hospital. What thing they do you? He say you get malaria.
Okay.
I say, so you don't see doctor. He say they don't give him injection. I said they give you injection. He say yes. I say how you be now? He say okay. This is not let me ask because some people they get malaria, take malaria enter born.
Yes.
Some people they go there for hospital when they want born, but as you don't tell me Satan don't reach my mind not rest.
Yes.
And I thought they call him. He say the hospital. Then on Tuesday I can't call him. My mind not take I can't go pastor. Pastor come to cancel spirit of death. I can't come back. I can't pray. Finish. I can't say Vivian. Take we read the Psalm 23, 24. Put for water, drink them. Take a pour for your body. As much I call him again, saying don't do him. I say okay. That is on Tuesday. Wednesday morning, around to 6, I call him. He say, I tell him, I say, whether you don't see something for that Tuesday, he say he never say anything. Monday, call you say he not say anything. Then Wednesday, I call him. He say he don't see water. I say, okay, now he say don't enter labor with that.
Yes.
So around the 9 again, I call him. How you be? He say he see the water. 12 o'clock, I call him. How you be? He say he see the sea. Say, I say, they fear. We say, make I not worry. He say, before 12 o'clock, I go, yeah. Before 6 o'clock, I go, yeah, better news. When the time you say 6 o'clock, I go, yeah, better news.
Yes.
So if you that 6 o'clock, I come the ring the phone. You know, pick.
Okay.
I say, okay, maybe there about room. I can't keep stay small. This is 7:30.
Yes.
I can't call her for 7:30. You know, pick. So I can't prepare my bag. Say, okay, I go expect that night. I can't call my pastor. Pastor, my picking when I can't pray for them, I call her now. There about room. I know they hear in voice too. I can't cry. Now my daughter say won't follow me. Pastor can't call my brother, my sister picking can't call me. Say, man, I not go tomorrow morning. They go. So I can't ring the husband number. The husband not pick. I ring, he not pick. My daughter can't call her. You can't pick my daughter. I say, yeah, my sister, my they pray. Say my pikin they come out. Say they come and make they pray. Now say I pray till they break. I don't know say that time he don't die.
Wow.
So if they break, my sister with my son with my sister pikin, they can't go expect. As they go expect, they can't find them. They don't see Vivian for mortuary. He did here.
You don't go mortuary already.
You don't kind of go mortuary. Go put them for there. So as I come, because instead of saying a general hospital, they say they for bed for general hospital, but they come. As I pray, till they break, they cry, they pray, and all sleep. So my sister, they can't go. They can't call me say, Vivian, they mortuary, you don't die, you. I can't roll myself. I hold the compound, can't gather. So when they gather now, we say 3 days. They no can't tell us say Vivian die. So I can't tell my sister that they come back, let they carry the children come. You not pay money for my diary for my picking head. And the newborn baby, I not go leave them for them. Maybe they not go take and go do money or they sell them. They may they bring the baby come. So since when they bring the baby come, now 2 baby food. Now you don't buy baby food 11 now. So he send 21,500 all the money what he sends since 3 months since June 15 till now. So that boy now, they can't work up now because my mama they can't touch him. All the money when they work out, they find prayer, they go for the boy. So he reach that day, they come back. We can't tell them, say they go village, go do money for the head. The family husband, my husband, say me they come because my husband don't late. Yes. Only one of his brother they here. So they can't come. Till, the first one we say me they go village. They say they can't they beg. I will say we not feed one here. They call second one, third one. The fourth one, the third one, they not come fourth one, they not come again. They not go village. My husband brother come call them say, "I don't want go that village. Now they find trouble. Now they find trouble. I don't want go that village." He say, "If the wahala start, I go no." They say, "Okay, they go come first week of last month."
That is to come do something for the head of your dead daughter.
Say they go come. So they can't come. My husband brother say, "Okay, may they come. We can't call village people. Say may they do the money for here." As they say, they not get money to transport to go village. So my husband brother can't call them. Say may they come. They can't come. When they come say, how much they want pay, may they give them list. They say, well, they know they give list. If Papa die, you not buy coffee when I'm supposed to buy, you not buy anything. You not do money for the head. They don't buy for children. So the village people say, I bring 4 million. But any amount where them na hand, I 1.5, 1.25, I first bring it so that they go bury the gas. If this is born new.
But the pikin where she born, they okay.
It's okay, them hand. I cannot come with that.
Okay, continue, ma.
So I will contact them and say, okay, make them bring the money. They send me say 60,000. Now they bring 60,000
to take do something to marry your daughter we don't die.
Now 60,000.
I think say their tradition. They not they marry people. They need to do something for person head.
They bring 60,000.
Okay.
So now the people they with me come pursue them. Pursue them go outside. They say me they go. Now they carry the bag. They go. So now the boy block my number. He blocked my number. Now they call me. So now I can't come Wazobia, can't talk. So as they block my line, Mama, well after that I don't tell the guy. They say as I don't want to bury my daughter. I born you. The thing now, since when you keep her for much, I don't know whether they go check her. Maybe my daughter not cause for you. Can't be cause for my children. Can't they beg me? Tell me they go bury their sister. So now I can't.
You don't press something. Don't go press something. Come on, wine.
Don't press mute.
You don't ask her where she from come.
Now from
The husband people then.
I don't know. Not from Delta now.
The husband people.
Not Delta.
Which one people?
Maybe the husband people. Now they're not married now. Which one the husband people again?
Okay,
sir?
no, the guy people really.
The boyfriend people.
The boyfriend.
They're not married now. Hello, ma.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, continue.
So I can't tell another. So reach last on the 19th. On the 17th, I can't call him Papa for phone. Say, make you tell him picking because you don't block my line. Make you tell him picking. His mama na ya call because his papa number not there with me. So make you tell him picking. Say, make you come show us the place where he put my daughter.
Daughter, yeah.
As they're not ready to bury him, make it tell him. So but make you tell him picking. Say, make you go pay mortuary bill because I ain't can't go there. If papa say you not pay for that one, oh. I said okay. So my sister picking can't take phone, call the boy. So me can't go show on the place where Vivian dey. The boy say you not get money, oh. You not sure say my brother sister picking say me pay bill for mortuary, oh. He say you not get money, oh. Say you not go fee bill that day, oh. They go postpone up another day. Now my sister picking say make you not worry. Me you can't show them the place where the daughter dey, the picking dey. As you go show them, the thing don't spoil. Since that day when he put her for mortuary, he not pay shishi. He not go check her. So they can't call me. I can't meet my son, come run and come find money. I can't borrow money. I don't borrow money already. Now I send for them. They can't say the boy say you get a place when they show and land. Say the land is cheap. I don't know say I started thick bush with near water. Now you won't carry my picking go put. You don't nail coffee. Buy 2 pack of nail them. 20 up. Then I want to bury them. Now I tell her, I say me they take and bury them because I say me they do a mass bury them. Make you know sir they tell them what you know here. My children not agree. So then I say I not get money for coffee. Maybe they use the coffee. Now the coffee they use. They can't carry them go inside bush. They can't come back. Say they no go pick carry and go there. Now they go buy land. So now so they take bury them. A day break, mama come call me. Sorry for the loss, oh. Sorry for the loss, oh. Now it's okay. I hear. The boy can't call me. I off his phone. You call me again. I off his phone. Before I come was with the phone report.
Okay. Waiting happen don't happen. Sorry again for your loss.
Very sad
This one in all sweet belly at all. Sorry for your loss. In all sweet belly. Sorry for your loss. I don't even know where I want even start on top of the matter. Now, the thing will make you they call us now. Waiting make you come now. Now make him for come do something. for the head of your daughter, Abi?
If Papa come they tell us, say, if you pursue them, say, no, be the girl pikin. Say, if the pikin grow, they go know them.
So none of the
So
picking,
that
not all the children do your hand now.
them my answer.
Okay. And what do you want now? Now make the boy can't do something for the head of your dead daughter, Abi?
I want make you come pay money for your head. And then I want to make you know how much we go bring for these children with the school fees and the money for food. Because now they and my husband don't die. No, let me there and not do anything.
Okay. What thing go happen? Be say, Mama, I go open phone line, make people call, make you hear what then go talk. We will go talk our own later. We will get things we will want to talk on top of the matter, but we'll go talk later. Moko will hear from people, make them talk first of all. Just they listen. We will come back to you, okay?
Okay, sir.
Now Philomena they talk from Ogun State.
Woman, okay, talk to us, man.
Yes, sir. I beg. This thing what these children do very, very, very bad.
Yes.
In the sense that the mama don't call the pikin, it's like fly away, not the hear word. Now they follow the body enter grave.
Yo.
Yes, so now it happened to that girl. So any woman where don't born 3 children, the fourth one they always had. Somebody listening to his mama, that fourth one itself, if not even enter. Now, for this family to come and marry this person, the first time the family don't already let them clear say there are 3 children not born, nobody paid their
You
price.
understand?
So, but that would get supposed to understand. It's like, so they don't block the 2 ears. She not. You don't want to hear mama. So the extent the father die, you know go bury the papa. And now see she don't die. Now see the wahala where put for mama head. Yeah. I not see where that boy go see money to come give that woman. No, I not see. If they are alive, they not see money. Now when
Wait,
she
don't die. Now you go come do
money. Yeah.
Thank you, Mama. God bless you for this talk where you talk. God bless you. Hello, Udo on the phone line, Biko.
Some children just they put mothers for wahala. Because I said this girl, mama right from that, all these things will go on from that, no go on. He no go reach like this. Now he just put that woman for wahala. Because that boy, he no go do anything. When that girl they alive, he no do anything. And not for that, he won't come do. He no go do anything. I that children going go come collect that children for that woman. Men are just for because of those children.
It's okay.
That girl, now he put that mama for wahala. My name is Happiness.
Happy, talk to us.
My God. God bless you now.
Bless you too, ma.
I plead that woman. I pray for God to give her the strength to bear the Lord.
Amen.
That is number one. So for me to put mouth for that issue is that I suggest let Wazobia contact our backyard soldiers so that at least let them find out the first thing where that guy they do. So when they check the work where they do, it will be forced to be collecting money every month to take care of those children, because when let me say wife is alive, the only love I can show to your wife is to take him to the family and do everything. Even though you doesn't do let me say marriage that the president will attend, you just do a little the way your power reach. So at least when you do that one, it still show respect to the family that you love the lady and she's someone's daughter. But when the lady is alive and the man have the mind, the guts to open his mouth and say such a word that he can never do it. Now that the lady is dead, let the woman not to plan to even receive. What the woman wants, let her try all possible best to try all means so that they should be paying money. And that money will be by force because that guy will not accept to pay. Because if they take it to maybe welfare or be backyard soldier or the way he's working, they will try all means every month. Then out of his salary, they will know that some is going to his children. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you very much. On top of WhatsApp, this one talks say, Organic, girls need to get sense. Now the girl I blame. See where she end and put the old woman for wahala.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
This matter
Yes,
just
sir.
suits everybody.
Don't be lying.
Because most of the times, even your fellow human beings, they push you to something where they say, you get plan for what you want to do. The best way they by your side, so they like use your own as it is for our side or his side. They use and they put to you. But if you know yourself, if you go make mistake, where you go later regret, even people where they beside themselves, they will see the thing. Because this is the way this girl do like this. As that mama they talk, they feel for that mama. Now the girl no day. the boy now, you know, even they go time where they get there around the self. No be say they maturity time. I say that get away from say the maturity. No matter this is the God don't they care for her. You know they as you know how as the waiting the boy they do. Even now where they talk say in Papa say if the children grow, then go come back to them. They need me to hold that boy now because say they have even though they are no come go say they won't carry that children. Those children feel grow say they won't see their papa.
Yes, yeah, they won't see their papa. Then go definitely see their papa.
And at that time, another people don't suffer. Train them.
Abio.
Then go back. Yeah. So waiting they make a trend whether the boy they do something, anything way they
Okay.
do.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank
All
you,
right,
sir.
sir.
It don't switch off in for. Who can get this number?
Not the mama of the boy.
Ben don't switch. The boy don't switch off.
Maybe
phone.
he don't listen.
He don't. Of course, definitely. The boy don't listen. He don't off phone.
Off. The mama feel off too.
You can run, but you can't hide.
He don't off
The
phone.
mama sabi off phone. No.
The mama sabi off phone.
She don't off phone.
Then they yeah. Where do
Oh.
mother say she go off phone? Me I go off my off phone too.
History line.
Oh, then they off phone to enjoy.
On each other.
You see, as the matter done this so now, because the truth is, we don't know who they talk through. We don't know who they lie.
Yeah.
The truth is, a person don't die. There was no marriage.
Yes.
Me, if una say make I talk my own, I blame the mama, I blame the girl.
If
Yeah,
that's
confirm.
sad to talk.
I second that your motion and
Why, Ochuko?
Nedu, why you blame?
Why I blame the mama?
Yeah.
See, first of all, I make me start with the girl own. I blame the girl. Oh, they talk this thing for here. Say man give you belle, not me say the man go marry you.
True.
Let them
True.
go,
Yes.
yeah.
Say man give you belle, not be say we go marry you. Parents, make una also hear me. Guardians, make una also hear us. Say your pikin, your daughter, or your niece, or whatever, carry belle for person. Not me say go and show us who give belle. You must marry the
You must
person.
marry the.
No!
They're wrong. Very wrong.
It's very wrong to start with. Another thing again is where they blame this mama. Person don't give your daughter belle. Not be him. Do you come say, oh yeah, where the person will give you belle? They can't show you the person will give you belle. The guy can't go bring papa. Papa can't come with the pikin. Can't tell you for front there say they not they do something for head of woman.
For
You
their
still
family.
keep for their family. You still keep quiet. So you want me or daughter become baby factory? Make it just the born on you, on your one, on your two, on your go. Now he born the first one. Your husband, yeah, the rest his soul. Is he there alive? Una not drag your daughter come out for there. You leave him there. He carry the second belle. Una no go drag and come out there. You leave him there. He carry the third belle. He never marry. Una no go drag and come out for there. Una leave him there. He carry the fourth belle. Where he don't die put. Now you say, boy, when not do something for your head when you there alive. You say, me can't do something now. In fact, forget about doing something. Boy, when not they even
He not send you.
he not send you, not be money be. But that not me say we not go hold the boy, make you do responsibility for his children.
Thank you.
Man, talk one thing. You know, say these days, most parents will not get money. Their voice not dey loud.
My brother, not be by voice.
And some of all these
Waiting
children,
there,
by
not be
money.
by money,
Whether
not
you
be
try
by
to
money.
draw them
Baba, if my
comot.
father hold you.
No, see, the
Wait, some
woman-
of all these children, you try to command them, they go rather quarrel with you.
she run now. The girl
They go
run.
She
run,
run.
go back.
She run.
Because they're soft on her.
Go back.
Yes, because they
So,
were soft on
They
her.
were soft on the girl.
Papa, I know people, I know girls where their papa don't. I swear they tell her now. Where they travel go, but they go arrest her, come back for Nigeria. He gets some way in Nigeria here where they don't go drag and come out for your life. Now then they thank their parents later. Say thank you for not giving up on me.
But the angle where me I
What are
go
we
for
talking
agree
about?
with you now because the foundation it already rotty.
it don't
They not
rotty.
bring their daughter up when they grip where be say they go down. So now they not even control the daughter
Even
again.
as you know, even as the foundation don't default from the first one. Where you before you
They
know the
supposed
deep,
stand their ground,
yes,
sha.
before you know how water deep, you go first chook your leg
Chook one
inside.
leg.
You don't come chook one leg. See, say this water go deep, oh, you leave them.
You know one thing about mother and daughter, I saw this for when I did feel am from that, I go ask and say, make I slap you. Now from that I sense something. You see, this woman get one kind, permit me to use this word, mumu bond with the daughter. It happened between mother, especially with the first daughter or their favorite daughter. When they tell me say man they
Why
get
can't
one
put an do?
I don't know. You want talk like ratata?
You know, not be ratata. No, I be robot.
You want to do
Don't go there.
phonetics?
No, rasta talk.
Daughter. That is my own way of calling daughter when be daughter. Woman, if you check their bond with their daughter, not be especially the first one, so they
Especially
get
the first
sentimental.
one.
Because I don't see why they bath with her own daughter for some kind age there. I can say, Mama, you sure say you know they so bad seed yes so. So this one when I see so now that kind corrupt relationship. So it don't they warped. The woman, the girl now, the daughter need to respect the mama the way she's supposed to be respect the mama.
Hello, who there on the phone line?
Daughter not respect the man.
Good morning. Who they talk?
This is Chijoke from Satellite.
Talk to us.
I beg, I'm gonna do to me, that mama do everything where she still do for that daughter. Boy, it's unfortunate the daughter no really just flow with the mother. I see the way where robots they talk. Now the same thing, but the mother she don't feel flog the girl because she don't do everything as a mother. The girl no agree. What did she go do? Then she go kill the girl. She even try to even go collect the children.
The children, Abi.
At all. Against some mother, she could even just abandon the girl. Now my point is that to I beg.
Thank you very much, my
All right,
brother.
let's check it.
I think it for this woman. Oh. Wow, they crash, they talk. I really feel bad for this woman. Everybody get gentle so rest in peace. So the woman she try her best, they do. She try her best. Like because the girl know the year what the woman talks the clear no one year, the person no one year what they say inside home. You see where she is now. Hello?
I dey hear you, my sister.
See where the girl and then the woman is struggling with those 4 children. You go born one, you go born 2, you go born 3, never do. Never do. Mama say you know 1 year. Everything don't happen. I beg the woman I tell you, woman that man they take responsibility for those children. No, I just go and beg and move.
Thank you, my sister. This one talk say, Chama from Owerri. Chama from Owerri. At that mama, yes. Look at Chama from Owerri. Send this one. At that mama age, suppose they rest now. Exactly. Not to be nursing children. Wayward and stubborn children always put their parents in problem. Parents try and raise a godly and obedient children so that in the future you will not give you headache. That boy doesn't love the girl and she is too loose and cheap. That is you. And this foolishness led her to early grave. That boy is wicked. The boy no inside.
You know say this girl go school.
Now for school, the boy too go school now. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. Talk to us, my brother.
All of you.
I greet you too, sir.
Imane Zubi they talk.
Yes, sir.
I greet everybody.
Imane Zubi, talk to us.
They do. We are not in judgment zone. If not, the father-in-law will say they know the woman head.
That one too.
Then nine do the thing where make everybody in
just cuckoo, just rest.
Very long tail.
Not be lie. Father-in-law get yes. You are right.
Right.
He try her best. He tell you say, in picking tell and say, you know one born 2 places, you one born 1 place. Maybe you hear when
I hear when she talk. Yes.
So in try and best. So the boy said, we know he has say him 3 times. If you ask me, I go tell you say that lady, he die out of love. You know one go another place, you know one born only picking there. I think what didn't make and die because you know they chop better food when in get belly.
Look who you dey deal with. Look who you dey with sometimes. All these girls not the hear word. Love about
Oh,
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmat family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chukmat.